Welcome to the Eat Every Slice podcast. Hey there, foodie friends. Welcome back to the Eat Every Slice podcast, where we chat about all things delicious and satisfying. Today, we're exploring a classic breakfast treat with an Italian twist. That's right, we're talking about Italian croissants, or cornetti. These lighter, slightly sweeter pastries are an Italian breakfast staple that'll transport your mornings straight to a charming Roman cafe. So, grab your coffee and let's get started. Ingredients you'll need. For the dough: flour, sugar, yeast, salt, water, milk, eggs, and softened butter. For the butter layer: butter, yes, lots of it. Feeling fancy? Grab some Nutella or apricot jam for the filling. Don't forget an egg and sugar for that shiny, golden glaze. Step 1. Prepare the dough. Mix your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together lukewarm water, milk, and eggs. Combine and knead until the dough is smooth and elastic. Add softened butter, knead again, and chill in the fridge for an hour. Step 2. Make the butter layer. Place cold butter between two parchment sheets. Roll it into a rectangle about the size of a notebook, then refrigerate. Cold butter is the secret to flaky layers. Step 3. Laminate the dough. Roll out your dough into a rectangle, place the butter in the center, and fold it like an envelope. Roll and fold a few more times, chilling between folds. This step creates those magical layers we love. Step 4. Shape the cornetti. Roll out the dough and cut it into triangles. Add a dollop of Nutella or jam at the base if you'd like, then roll them up tightly from the wide end. Voila, perfect croissant shapes. Step 5. Proof the cornetti. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, cover loosely, and let them rise for 2 hours. It takes a bit of patience, but it's worth it for that soft, fluffy texture. Step 6. Bake the cornetti. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush with beaten egg, sprinkled with sugar, and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Your kitchen will smell heavenly. Step 7. Cool and serve. Let them cool just a little, if you can wait. Serve warm with coffee or tea and enjoy a little taste of Italy at home. That's a wrap. Thanks for listening to the Eat Every Slice podcast. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe so you never miss an episode. Share it with your foodie friends and visit eataveryslice.com for the full recipe and more. Until next time, keep slicing, savoring, and sharing the love. Ciao.